Hey guys, me, family, mom, join y'all. And today we're playing Roblox. And we could just play a random game. Special. Pizza I've had this before, but I haven't played it in a long time. We're at a pizza place. I said what you're gonna do. Maybe. No, I don't know one because I feel like it. I'll save that. I'll save this for another video. Finish. Gearland. Ragdoll combat. Explorer simulator. Beach. Simulator. This is kind of hard for me to talk. What are we talking about? Granny, yeah. I should be doing these kind of videos, but playing it. Nope, I'm playing this. Now play Island Royale. Wait, Island Royale will do video later on. Cause it's not within my stuff. It's not mine, so it's crappy. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it on for just a second. Yeah. It's not working, apparently. This is a crappy computer. Just load. Just load. Ooh, good for the server. They have 30 minutes of time times 2 gold and times 2 resources. And 2K18. Basically, if I do this and this, I'll be able to get better. Become Dinosaur World and Dinosaur Land. Add a library too. Collect some new codes, new pterodactyl model. Complete dinosaur quest mod unlocked. To unlock it. Go away.
No, water's not running.
Ooh. Premise. I'll try it one more time. One more time, and then I will play it. I'll play it on Mario. Ba ba ba. Infinite time, babe. Infinite, babe. Come on, you stupid game. Stupid, stupid. Buddha, 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 ba, ba, Buddha, ba, Buddha, 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 Buddha. Alright. Oh, we're playing. Can we play it? No. I just want to play it, play it, play it, play it. Come on, play it. Come on, play it, play it, play it. Let's play it. Come on, play it. Yeah, I was too laggy. I forgot. It was too laggy for me. So, we're playing this, this, oh yes, this, one of my first games played. My first one, I survived the disaster, survived the disasters. Was my first one. This was my first game that I played with my sister. Yep, sister. With she's in like a little headset. This good looking headset. Loading. Loading. Load. The time's red. I'll be right back while it loads. Wait. Oh, I think I messed up. Picture. Cooks. We don't have cooks. We don't have any of these people. Money. Pizza slice. What's new? This is new. So, that's what I don't care. It's all the lovey ducky. Pizza slice. Pizza slice. Chef, what are you? Where's orders nothing? Guess I'll do it myself. You said you did. Why? Why do these games hate me so much? It's annoying me. So annoying. Hey, I know you're some shit at me. BRB again. Never mind. No BRB. This really. Down. Go down. More. Come on. Stupid game. Look, I don't care. Just let me play the game. 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 Okay, play. Hey, there's me. Hey. Yeah, come back here. Yay. What's up? It's me. It's me. Hello. I'm the cashier. Pizza's last of the day. So many choices. Can I get a Capri salad? Or a pepperoni pizza, please? Pepperoni pizza. What is? I don't even want to know. My house? It's even better. It's almost that 2-story. Remove the manager. I want to be the manager. You made some changes to you and yes. At first, I guess something else happened. Let's see what I like to do. To burn myself. I'm burning alive. Loud drop and roll. Oof. I don't want to steal. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my house. Yeah, I'm going on break. Dude, there you go. Pink fish. Green. Fish. Red. Get it off. And pop it on. Oh my god. Ah! Run! Where's my house? Forgot how big my house is. I think it's this right here. No, it's not it. Mine's way bigger. Yeah, those are what they're supposed to look like right there. My house is right there, I think. Is that it? That might be it. No, mine is supposed to look like that. No. Actually, this might be it? Yeah. I painted it all green. What is wrong with me?
I don't know why it is.
Hello. Where'd you going? No. It's green. It's green. Check out this person's house. The door open. Heck yeah. Holy moly. What's in the basement? Wait, what? It's basically a bar. Alright. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. See you guys on another video. Peace out.